Hello everyone. Today we will see the meeting disciplinary problem. So what is that, this meeting disciplinary problem? This is the one of the great problem in students. They are facing the problems in the schools and all, and most students are not submitting their assignments in time, or always they are late. So here it is a disciplinary problem are not only observed in India, but also it is happening in the abroad also, or surrounding the world we can say. Then common disciplinary problems seen in Indian students are absenteeism and non-submission of assignment in a correct time. Absenteeism means they are not always coming to the college, or if they are coming from the house or a college, but they are not attending the classes also, and they are moving around for watching the movie and playing, and they are sitting in a park and all like that. The problems they are creating, or a late submission of assignment disturbing the classroom atmosphere, threatening strikes, damaging or the spoiling institution's property also. Always they are doing the strike and all, and they are throwing the stone on the windows, and they are spoiling the institution where they are studying, where they are getting the knowledge. Then picking quarrels over small matters, using mobile phones in the classrooms, and so on. And they are quarreling also with their seniors, their teachers, their managements, and they are using the phone in a classroom. When the teachers are taking the class, they are using the phone. Their phone is coming, or they are using any apps during the classroom time. So they are doing so much disturbance in the class. So there is a disciplinary problem have increased fold in Indian schools, college and universities. According to the Indian Education Commissions, briefly there have many ugly strikes, demonstrations, often without any justifications, leading to violence, walkout from classrooms and examination halls, ticketless travel, clashes with the police, burning of buses and cinema houses, and sometimes even manhandling of a teachers. Reports of the students' trouble and indefinite closure of a school, colleges, and even and universities are pouring in from all over the country. Naturally, this side of affair has attracted the attention of the educationalist, leaders, social scientists, and general public to seriously manage this problem, so that the image and objectives of the education can be optimally achieved. In this case, students managing disciplinary problems is very difficult to manage in the colleges or schools or in the institutions, because the students, they are coming from the house. We don't know from which house they are coming. In their house there is a discipline, whether the parents started discipline from the childhood or not, or in front of the children, whether the parents are quarreling each other, whether parents doesn't respect each other. When the mother doesn't respect father and father doesn't respect the mothers, that only the students, that only the children will learn from the house, because the family is the first school. If in the family is love, in the family there is a love, there is a respect, there is a mutual understanding, that only the children will love, that only the children will learn. If parents respect their grandparents or their in-laws, so same as their children also will do. If the parents greet the elders in the family early in the morning, their children also will greet when they wake up. If the parents are quarreling each other, blah 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 blah, always they are telling, I am doing, I am everywhere, this is I am is there, I have done what you are doing. If the mother is quarreling with the father, or wife is quarreling with the husband, every day from the morning to night there is a no love, there is a no peace, and there is a no respect that students, that children will see each and every time, from the morning till the end of the night. They will see their parents are quarreling each other. In their family there is no respect, in their family there is no calmness, in their family there is no love, same as the children will love. And they will do as they learn from the house, they will come to the college and they will spoiling the college also as it is. And they will not, because of the parents quarreling, they are not getting time to write the assignments in a time, and they will submit the assignment late, so on. And they will disturb the classroom. As their parents are disturbing the family, they also will disturb in the classroom and atmosphere. And they threatening the strike also. In their family also, mother doesn't want to talk the father doesn't want to talk the mother, they don't want to forgive each other, same as their children will do it. And damaging and spoiling the institution property, same as the parents are doing in their family. Wife is angry with the husband and she is spoiling the house things, she is spoiling the vessels, she is spoiling the photos, she is spoiling the so many things in the house, and she never respect, and the condition is coming till for the divorce. Like that children also will do, because they are perceiving from the family the first school, and they are perceiving from the family everything, they are picking from the family. They have seen their mother and father is quarrel each other, so they themselves also they quarrel each other. Their siblings also never respect each other. And sometimes you see in the family, husband and wife come from the duty in same time, but wife is using mobile, she is talking their friends, and even though sometimes opposite husband is also doing like that, and they are not giving time to each other, they are not listening to each other, same as their children will do in the classroom. They will use the phones and they will engage with their phone friends, and they are not listening the teacher, what the teacher is teaching in the class. So they will fail in the exam, because they never listen what was the taught in the class. They have not ever heard the word what they have to go on for the study, but they didn't learn whatever is given in the classroom. They didn't learn because teachers has taken the classes, but the students never bother about that. According to the Indian Education Commissions, briefly, there have been many ugly strikes and demonstrations when without any justification. Yes, without any justification, so many strikes are there in India. Because of that also students waste their time, leading the violence and walk out from the classrooms and examination halls and ticketless travel. Yes, though indisciplined students, they never take the travel ticket during the train as well as in the bus, but in flight they can't do that, because flight people will catch them and they cannot enter the flight. So it is like that. And report of the students' trouble and identification codes of the school, colleges and universities are pouring in from all over the country. Naturally, this state of affairs has attracted the attention of the education leaders, social scientists and general public to seriously manage this problem, so that the image and the objectives of the education can be optimal achieved. Okay, so I have explained you about the managing disciplinary problem. If you like this video, like and share it. Okay, bye bye.